take the 3 10 mils out. And go ahead and take your
spring first.
zip tie off. Spring the thing off. Off there. Got your zip tie. That. Now I don't remember if when I did mine if I even bothered to. I just spun that around and unbolted it from the other side. I don't remember. Okay, so it's a 13 mil on this side and then a 10 mil wrench on that side. And a couple of washers in between.
One on each side.
Yeah. And then you take that guy off there. Take this guy. Make sure he's on there the right way.
Yeah, like that.
You sure?
Yep. But he should go in that hole.
There you go. So he does not go in the recessed hole because that's for the mounting thingy. And then like that. And oh shit. There we go.
Good.
No need to kill it. And I'll come back on that side. And this can get stuck back up in there. Kind of skip that stuff on reverse. And then he gets aligned in there with your 10 mil bolts. Oh, you're missing it. There you go. There should be one more.
The one I dropped. I'm gonna put it back in with a ratchet.
And then we're gonna take this guy and hook him back down under into, take this and hook him down into there. And we'll show you that when we're done here. And when we're doing them back up, we always do it with a ratchet, not an impact. And you notice he's using the 1/4" ratchet. Just snugging them. Go around a couple of times. Pretty easy. And then this guy is just a jam nut up here, and then your shift knob. Shift knob, just thread it on the inside. Just threads back on there like that. And then once it's threaded on all the way and straight forward, yeah, that one's always fun. There you go. Let me get a shot of that. Yeah. Alright, just like that. Yeah. And like I said, just tighten that back down, and if it's not straight where you need it to be, you just loosen it off and tighten your jam nut up onto them. There you go. Just like what he did there. Then you'll just tighten this guy back up and done deal. Then you gotta put the plastics back on, which are pretty bog standard for these. The Phillips screw up here.
13 mil jam nut.
Is a 13 mil jam nut. There you go. Perfect. All right.